How to find out all the passwords that you have saved in your Google account in your mobile. This is what you will learn in this video. Why would you like to know that? Two reasons. One, that you may have forgotten a password of a particular app which you want to find out, and secondly, you would also like to know that if there is any sensitive password that is saved in your Google account and you may want to remove that from the Google account. And in this video you will find out where these passwords are stored. Just follow this short tutorial and you will know within 2 minutes. And if you like this video, give it a like. It is a short video and I would highly recommend to watch till the end. If you find some value, do give it a like. So step one, that open your settings. Within the settings you need to go to the Google account, and here you will have the account that is already logged in. Just click on the manage your accounts. It will take you to your account page. Here you will see the different tabs: home, personal information, data and privacy, security, people and sharing, payment and subscription. So you need to click this security tab, and then you need to come down and look for the password manager, and here you need to click on this. And as you can see that right now I have only one password saved in my Google account, and that is regarding the Amazon.com. So I can just click on that. It will ask me for the screen lock password. Just give that password, and here you can see the username and the password that are saved in your Google account. You can just click on this edit button and you can change the password here, or you can simply delete and it will remove the password from your Google account.